The real benefits of the apprenticeship is that it's kind of like a big job trial. You know, you're kind of trialing what you want to do for that time. It allows you to be really confident that what you're doing is actually what you're supposed to be doing. I think I always knew I wanted to work with children, but I wanted to be a social worker originally, and I went to college and I did my A-levels. I started doing my apprenticeship here, and then I worked my way up to manager. I think the apprenticeship scheme is very good because you're in a setting. I think the difference between the more kind of formal education, so when I did the college, yes, I was gaining knowledge, but I wasn't really getting any understanding of what I wanted to do. Once I had finished my apprenticeship, I absolutely knew that childcare was what I wanted to do. The knowledge that the apprenticeship position has given me has allowed me to not only provide the best care for the children, but also the best support for the staff.
ACT are a leading work-based learning and apprenticeship provider within Wales. They deliver high-quality training and learning, which allows learners to gain that hands-on practical experience that they need to gain their qualifications and to kind of set off their career path.
So we have an assessor that comes in once a month. They go through the work that we need to do, and then they set work for us to complete.
With Amy, for example, she was already highly skilled, very expert in her field. So, you know, the teaching and learning was very different for her compared to other learners that may be very new. We provide the workshops for different units and modules, so there's an element of teaching, but you really want to see learners in their workplace showing that they're capable and that they can do the roles and responsibilities that you're assessing.
I would say just go for it. If it's something you think that you'll love, just try it. I mean, the apprenticeships are fantastic for really kind of getting that experience of knowing what it's like to work in a childcare setting.